bushings too to change just in case, but I'm hoping it's nothing crazy. I brought an extra tripod bearing in case one came apart. Oh, you can hear it good there. I don't know, we're gonna find out. Keep you posted. What did you say?
What's up with the YouTube channel, big dog?
Yeah, I forgot to record. But I got one control arm on. I took this fucking axle apart because it sounded like it's the only noise I could find was right there, and that's perfectly fucking fine. The only other problem is these, and these lug nuts came off like really easy. It was just like boom, boom, boom. So I don't know, and I can't get them out to change them, so I'm just gonna put a little tack weld back here. I'm hoping that maybe this shit was loose or something, and that's where the noise was. I don't know, so that's yet to be determined, but I'm gonna try that. I can't think of anything else. I got my tires I'm gonna change. Got Miles and Armando here. Hi. All right, here's my secret sauce here. Once you get your tire on, clean your bead with some brake clean and a rag. Brush on high tack. Yeah, it glues the tire to the rim very well, and I don't have problems spinning the rim in the tire anymore like I used to before I started using that stuff.
It was so bad.
I actually got 2 good tires. Only took a little bit of weight. Hell yeah, look at that already. I didn't even throw it on the rack. Look at that positive camber. Now that's stance right there. Hell yeah, brother. Well, I can't find any fucking thing wrong with the car other than the wheel studs thing. Hopefully that fucking fixes it. I don't know. No, don't do that. Oh wait, yeah. No, I don't need it. Wait. Cancel. I don't fucking know now.
Hit start work.
I did. Okay, there we go. Oh, we gotta put the heads on. BRB. Okay, I had to delete things on my phone. Alright, let's do this. Hopefully. Oh. I think he started me a little too far back. Oh, I'm zoomed in, my bad. What the fuck is it hitting? I'm not all the way on the things. I hope that didn't move the fucking head. Angle kit, sensitive. Alright. Hold on. Hold on. Let's set my steering wheel. Ah, yeah, that's a bit off. That's pretty much centered. I think I'm good there. This shit'll drive me crazy. Yeah, toe's about. That's good. Oh, can you see that? Yeah, there you go. Alright, hold on, let me do some things. I'll come back under the... Hey, there's Josh. He's gonna record for us. Just whatever. You don't even have to do
Hey, hit him with that.
You need that B-roll footage?
What?
Need that B-roll, my boy?
type shit.
Hey, just keep going around in circles.
It's normally just me pointing at shit, talking on the videos, like make it switch it up a little bit, you know? Prove that I'm actually the one working on my car.
I've never seen him work on his car in a day.
Yeah, it's just like, look what I did.
Never.
He's just timing my work.
It's always Miles doing shit, you know? Miles built, hashtag Miles built.
Alright, let me out.
I was gonna Why? Yeah, that's the wrong fucking way. Okay. Guess we'll do that one like that.
Are these the support rails? Like the
Yeah, the V8
stiffening rails?
Yeah. You're gonna need them to make a trans mount for the most part.
Yeah.
This is the side that drunk dude fucking sideswiped me on, and I called 911 and they refused to come out and help.
What the fuck?
Yeah, that was bullshit. I never told you about that.
No.
Yeah, he sideswiped me and then pulled in a parking lot, and I was like, hey, come get this dude. And they're like, we'll send someone. And then he left, and he hit another car, and I followed down way to him. They're like, stop following him, and like transferred me to voicemail to like city, then county, then highway patrol, and then like I waited in a parking lot, and they never showed up.
They're always so fucking useless, man.
It's bullshit.
Yeah.
Okay. I want 0 tone. Can I get 0? No. 0.7. Dude, that's damn near perfect right there. Like, what the fuck? I'm taking it, dude.
Fucking close enough,
as
man.
close as it's getting.
You can't get any more toe out of that? Or get less toe out of it, I guess?
No, it was going the other way again.
Yeah.
I'm happy with that.
Fuck it, whatever, man. It's not like the tires are gonna last
That's
long
damn
anyway.
near perfect right there. I'm just gonna take it for what it is. Slowly tighten these guys back down.
Boy, you're so damn cute.
Aww.
There was a channel I used to watch back in the day, some Canadians. With like fucking JDM cars, their name was Locals. They fucking fell off the face of the earth, but like it was literally just dudes in the garage working on cars. Like the most low quality shit.
I miss
great.
the grassroots shit.
Yeah,
Like,
it was
you
so
don't get that
grassroots, man. It
anymore,
wasn't.
dude.
I don't like fucking like Adam LZ and shit. That's so.
Dude, I can't
it's
stand
so
watching
orchestrated.
them.
I hate it.
I don't watch any of that stuff.
No.
Like, people are like, you don't watch Cletus?
No, fuck no. I don't watch Cletus. There ain't nothing to see, bro.
The only guy I still watch is Preza Mike, and like he's like how Jimmy Oak's channel used to be before he got real famous.
Yeah.
I like that dude.
Get it, son. Get it, son. You're gonna look back at that screen and that shit's gonna be fucked up.
Nah, dog. That's close enough.
Nah, dude. Shit.
Wait, can I get more adjustment on this side?
You got some more toe. I mean, if you can,
Better on that side.
if you can get more, yeah, toe. Man, 0.03. Who fucking cares?
I'm saying that.
But I mean, you got almost no camber now.
I don't know if I had an
Is
impact.
that going the right
It's
way?
on free.
Oh yeah, that got better.
There you
It's
go.
like perfect now.
You don't have toe arms or anything? No adjustment there?
No, it's just these two eccentrics.
No.
And then now the one upper one. Okay.
Simulator.
Now I'm just setting the toes.
Yeah, the one
I can't do anything about the caster. That's been fucked up. Woo. Camber. Yeah, I might try and fix that a little bit. Maybe. I don't know. It's like 1 whole degree almost. I'll see if it's possible. If it is, I'll do something about it. If it isn't, I won't. Toe is what I really need to fuck with. Alright, that's as close as it's getting. Hopefully the thing doesn't have some crazy noise now. We will see. At least the rear is good. I'm happy with that. Well, so far, I don't hear any noise, which is a good thing. So, I mean, I hope it was the wheel studs thing. I put it in neutral. I don't hear anything. No clunking or nothing. But we're gonna make a little pull. We're gonna see if this is Lucas, for sure, the fastest thing Lucas has ever been in. It's going. Just get what you can.
I got you.
like not cool at all, but I mean that's cool if that's what it was.